I was walking down a long dark road, shadows hanging low, so low. Heart so heavy couldn't carry my load. Didn't know where to go. Cried out in the midnight hour, Lord, can you hear my plea? Ooh, through the silence and the pain, your love came rescuing me. When I was weak, you were strong. When I was lost, you sang my song. Wrapped me in mercy sweet, set my tired soul on its feet. Hallelujah, I sing the blues no more. Open heaven's door. Your love washed over me. Oh, now my heart is free. Oh, hallelujah. Lord, you rescued me. Devil tried to steal my joy, tried to tell me I was done. But you stepped in with amazing grace. Said, child, you're my own. From the valley to the mountain high, your hand was holding mine. Through every stormy night, your light began to shine. Even when the rain keeps falling, even when my tears roll down, I feel your spirit calling, turning sorrow into a crown. I'll praise you in my hurting, I'll praise you through the pain. Hey, 'cause every broken blues note brings glory to your name. Falling down, oh, I'm heaven bound. Hallelujah. Oh, I was lost, but now I'm found. In the darkest night of sorrow, your hand became my guiding light. I was weak and full of burdens, but your love restored my life. When I wandered far from you, still you looked at me with grace. I had nothing left to whisper, yet that you heard my heart's embrace. Hallelujah, I sing of your love. Hallelujah, it never ends. You hold my hand so I won't fall. My God, you are my closest friend. In my trials and in my joy, you remain right by my side. Through the storms and through the fire, in your presence I abide. Your love is deeper than the ocean, higher than the mountains rise. Nothing can divide us ever. Jesus, you're my life. Hallelujah, I sing of your love. Hallelujah, it never ends. You hold my hand so I won't fall. My God, I'm yours.